Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and measuring cups are something you most likely have in your kitchen, but did you know that they could actually be magnetic? Yeah, I didn't either, but I love this set from FONYA. With this set, you get 7 cups, 8 dual-sided spoons, and a leveler. It's also stainless steel, so I don't have to worry about them rusting, and they feel quite sturdy. The magnets are strong and are so handy when it comes to storing or even displaying these. Now, there are some features of this set I have to say I really enjoyed. For one thing, the measurements are clearly visible, and if that wasn't enough, they are on multiple sides and engraved. The silicone handle makes it comfortable to hold and easy to grip. I also love that the spoons have a side for dry and liquid measurements, and they included this little tiny one for when you just need a smidge or a pinch of something. Lastly, I think it's very thoughtful that the cups have measurements at intervals. What I mean is, if you're using the 1 cup, but your recipe calls for half a cup of something, you don't have to go get the half cup. You can just use the same one. I thought this was genius. And it also helps with cleanup because instead of using multiple cups, you can just use 1 or 2. These are such a great addition to my kitchen. I think you like them too, but that's just my point of view.